Hi, I'm Eric with Janssen's. We're here in North Glendale. Been here since 1939. I've been here since '88. It's a family business, so it's been what is that, 30 something years or so. This is where we clean the rugs. Where people, you can bring them in or we can come and pick them up. Either way, depending on if you can get in your vehicle. And I'm going to show you about the duster. This is the dusting machine. We're not going to run it right now because it's super loud and kind of time consuming to watch in the video. So this rug's already been through the duster. So we run it through there and it shakes the dirt out of the rug. Then we bring it here and then we do the vacuuming to get more of the dust out. If it needs to go a couple times, we'll send it through a couple times. This rug here is an entry rug. It's a Karastan rug, very common rug. Well-made rug, and because it's an entry rug, he probably does this rug about once a year. His bigger rugs throughout the house he does every couple of years, but this is right off the entry, so it gets a lot of dirt.
So then we move into this room. Can you tell us a little bit about what we are going to do here?
Okay, we're going to start washing the rug. So Vinny already mixed up the rug shampoo. It's kind of pre-mixed. This is the back side of the rug. Sometimes they're really dirty. This one's not too bad, but we always start with the back and get the back side of the fringe. So this goes pretty fast. You know, the more the work is on the other side. So he's gonna pour that on there, and then we're gonna run the bonnet machine over it to kind of work in the rug shampoo. Yeah, this will do a console. So. Cleaning the back side of the fringe, we got that over there, Vinny. So we'll just work that in right now. So he's gonna pre-treat the fringe, and then we'll get the back sides because they get pretty bad. Fringe is one of the telltales if your rug is dirty. If your fringe is dirty, your rug's probably dirty. As we're washing this rug, you notice it's really, really wet. Like you're like, oh my gosh, how's that ever gonna dry? So the biggest difference is we have a rug centrifuge machine. So after we do all this pushing the soap and the dirt out of the rug, that's just part of it. It's kind of like washing your hair, and then we're gonna put it in the centrifuge machine, which if you kind of turn around, I don't know if you can get, and that's gonna spin the rug at 1500 RPMs. And you'll see, it's just gonna force that water out of there, but we can also rinse too and get even more soil out. And it removes, I think they say 80 to 90% of the moisture to the Rug here, this beautiful rug we just did right here. If you obviously you can't see it in the video, but if you feel this rug's almost dry, and it was done maybe 1 hour ago. At the most 2 hours.
I mean,
it's
it
like
feels,
literally just a little bit cold.
right. It feels dry.
Yeah, it feels dry.
Yeah.
So that's the key. That way you don't get color run or mold or something like that. So that's the key, is you have to have all the equipment to do it right, and we have it here.
So what is this process
Grooming.
for?
So
And
now
it's
he's
just to work out any kinks or?
so it's actually grooming the fibers of the rug, so they're all in the correct direction.
Got it.